Have you seen those ads for the Aironox Automatic Ironing Machine and wondered if it can really replace your iron? The idea sounds amazing. Just put your clothes on the machine, press a button, and let it automatically remove wrinkles while you sit back and relax. But does it actually work? Or is it another product that looks better in advertisements than in real life? Let's find out. First, let's talk about what Aironox claims to do. According to the company, this machine can dry and iron your clothes at the same time using hot air technology. Instead of using a traditional iron, the machine inflates a mannequin-like frame inside the garment and blows heated air through it. The tension created by the inflated frame helps smooth out wrinkles while the warm air dries the fabric. Now, from a technology standpoint, this isn't completely new. Similar systems have been used in commercial laundries and garment care businesses for years. The difference is that Aironox is marketing a consumer version designed for home use. The big question is whether it delivers the results shown in the ads. Based on how the technology works, the answer is yes, but with some important limitations. Aironox can reduce wrinkles in many everyday garments. If you have a t-shirt, polo shirt, or a lightly wrinkled casual shirt, the machine can definitely help make it look more presentable. For people who hate ironing, that convenience can be appealing. However, this is where the advertising and reality start to differ. Traditional irons use heat and pressure. Aironox only uses heated air and fabric tension. Because of that, it struggles to create the crisp, professional finish that many people expect. Thick cotton shirts, heavily wrinkled clothing, collars, cuffs, and sharp creases can still require a traditional iron to look their best. And when we look at customer feedback, we see a similar story. Many buyers say the machine works to some extent, but not as well as the advertisement suggests. Some customers report that it helps reduce wrinkles and saves time during busy mornings. Others say it leaves clothes looking decent enough for everyday wear, but doesn't completely eliminate wrinkles. The bigger concern comes from customer service and delivery experiences. A large number of reviewers have complained about long shipping delays, tracking issues, refund difficulties, and slow responses from customer support. These complaints have contributed to the company's relatively low rating on review platforms like Trustpilot. What's interesting is that even some positive reviewers admit that the machine isn't a complete replacement for ironing. They often describe it as a convenient wrinkle reducer rather than a miracle solution. So, is Aironox a scam? Based on the available information, it doesn't appear to be a fake product. The technology is real, and many customers have received and used the machine. The bigger issue seems to be whether the performance matches the expectations created by the marketing. In my opinion, Aironox would be easier to recommend if it were advertised as an automatic wrinkle-reducing device instead of a full ironing replacement. The technology can help with everyday clothing, but it won't magically give you dry cleaner quality results. So here's the bottom line. If you're looking for perfectly pressed dress shirts with sharp creases, you're probably going to be disappointed. But if you simply want an easier way to make casual clothes look better with less effort, Aironox may provide some value. Overall, I'd rate the technology around 6.5 out of 10. It's convenient and innovative, but it doesn't completely replace traditional ironing, and the mixed customer reviews are something potential buyers should carefully consider. Thanks for watching. If you've tried the Aironox Automatic Ironing Machine yourself, let everyone know about your experience in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.